Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Geography Guru. This is the 9th episode of class 10th history chapter number 3 Nationalism in India. In the previous episode we discussed about the reason behind the withdrawal of non-cooperation movement, and we also discussed about the economic effects of non-cooperation movement. In this 9th episode we'll try to understand about the formation of Swaraj Party, aims and objectives of the formation of Swaraj Party, main leaders of Swaraj Party, and we will also discuss about the Simon Commission and the Congress session of Lahore 1929. Let's begin this session. Swaraj Party 1923. Here you can see the images of C.R. Das, Chittaranjan Das and Motilal Nehru. Swaraj Party was formed in January 1923. It was founded by C.R. Das, Chittaranjan Das and Motilal Nehru. It was a party within the Congress party. It means that these political leaders, they didn't resign from the political party Congress party से resign नहीं दिया था. So it was a party within the Congress party and it was formed due to the two reasons. दो कारण थे इसके पीछे. First, some Congress leaders were annoyed with Gandhiji. They were annoyed with Gandhiji due to his decision to call off non-cooperation movement. पहला तो ये था कि these leaders were annoyed with Gandhiji due to his decision to call off the non-cooperation movement. उनको लग रहा था अच्छा चल रहा था, क्या हुआ, थोड़ी सी हिंसा हो गई, वापस क्यों लिया. So Gandhiji, because Gandhiji was not in the favor of use of violence in any satyagraha or the movement, so Gandhiji called off that movement. But these political leaders were not satisfied. They were annoyed with Gandhiji due to his decisions. So they decided to form their own political party. Second reason behind the formation of Swaraj Party was that Congress party had decided to boycott the council election. But some leaders wanted to contest. कुछ leaders थे वो चुनाव लड़ना चाहते थे, and for that purpose too they decided to form Swaraj Party. So these were the two reasons behind the formation of Swaraj Party. So Swaraj Party, let's recapitulate. Swaraj Party was formed in Jan 1923. It was founded by C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru. It was a party within the Congress party. It means that these political leaders didn't resign from their post from the Indian National Congress, and it was formed due to the two reasons. First, many political leaders were annoyed with Gandhiji due to his decisions to call off non-cooperation movement, and second, they wanted to contest the election and Congress party had decided to boycott those elections. So to contest the election they formed the Swaraj political party. Now let's discuss about the two important factors that shaped the Indian political towards the late 1920s. Between the 1920 and 1930, two events shaped the Indian politics. First one was the Simon Commission and second one was the economic depression, Great Economic Depression. Here we are going to discuss about the first one, that is Simon Commission. In 1927, a commission was appointed under Sir John Simon. That's why it is known as Simon Commission. So in 1927, the British government, British Parliament appointed a commission under Sir John Simon, that is known as the Sir Simon Commission. And that commission was appointed in 1927 and it visited India in 1928. It was appointed. Why it was appointed? It was appointed to look into the functioning of constitutional system in India and suggest some changes. Appoint किया गया था कि ये कुछ change है वो suggest करे. It was appointed how the Indian government is working in India, Indian British government is working in India, and it was also appointed or given the responsibility to give some positive suggestions. But the problem was that the commission didn't have a single Indian member. They all were British. And due to these reasons, Indian people decided to boycott this Simon Commission. because they knew that this commission is just to show up and that is not going to give any positive suggestion. उन्हें लगता था कि जब भारतीय नहीं है तो इनको क्या पता क्या कमियां है, क्या हमारी डिमांड्स है. So the problem was that the commission didn't have a single Indian member and they all were British. So Indian people knew that this commission was appointed just to show off, just to satisfy the Indian people, and the main motive is not to do any positive change in Indian political system or in Indian government structure. So when the Simon Commission arrived in India, it was greeted with the slogan "Go back Simon, Simon वापस जाओ," and with the black flag. All parties including the Congress, the Muslim League participated in the demonstrations all over the country. So the Simon Commission appointed in 1927. Why it is known as Simon Commission? Because the Sir John Simon was the head of that commission. Why it visited? It visited to suggest some positive change about the Indian political system or the government structure. Why it was boycotted or protested? It was protested because commission didn't have a single Indian member. And how it was welcomed? It was welcomed with the slogan "Go back Simon" and with the black flags. So that was also very important question. 1 marks question can be asked about the Simon Commission. Now the next topic is the Lahore Congress session 1929. This one was a historical session. Historical session in the sense, and we can understand that Congress party used to organize a session every year in the month of the December. हर वर्ष दिसंबर में कांग्रेस का सेशन होता था. बट हियर वी हैव ओनली वन सेशन इन आवर सिलेबस. हम एक ही सेशन के बारे में डिस्कस करें थ्रू विच वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट हाउ मच इट वॉज इम्पॉर्टेंट, कि कितना इंपॉर्टेंट रहा होगा. लेट्स फाइंड आउट दैट वाई द लाहौर सेशन ऑफ कांग्रेस पार्टी इज नोन एज द हिस्टोरिकल सेशन. इसको हिस्टोरिकल क्यों कहते हैं, ऐसा क्या हुआ था इस सेशन में? लाहौर कांग्रेस सेशन 1929 was a historical for 3 reasons. 3 कारणों से historical था. First time a young leader, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, became the president of Congress party. Earlier, the tradition was there to appoint an old person as a president of the Congress party. But in this session, first time a young leader became the president of the Congress party, and that was the Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Second reason behind this session to call the historical one was that in December 1929, under the presidency of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the Lahore Congress passed the resolution of the demand of Puran Swaraj or complete independence for India. Earlier, what we were demanding? We were demanding Swaraj. We were demanding some basic rights. We were demanding some powers for the state governments. But now we decided to demand for Puran Swaraj or the complete independence, कि बोरिया बिस्तर लेकर के अंग्रेजों को जाना ही होगा. So due to this one, too, this session is known as historical one because that set the new target, new goal for Indian nationalist movement. So in the December 1929, under the presidency of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the Lahore Congress passed the resolution of the demand of Puran Swaraj or complete independence for India. Third reason to call this session as historical was that it was also declared that if the British government doesn't grant self-rule within a year from 26 Jan 1930 will be celebrated as the Independence Day, and it will be celebrated every year till actual independence. So another resolution was passed in this session that they decided to celebrate the 26th Jan as Independence Day till actual independence, and it was decided to inspire the Indian people every year. It was decided to plan every year how we can get our freedom. So that too was a very important decision taken by the Indian National Congress. So ये 3 कारण थे. पहला, first time a young leader was appointed as a president of Congress party. Second, a resolution was passed in this session to demand Puran Swaraj, and third very important decision taken in this session was that we decided to celebrate the 26th Jan as Independence Day till actual independence. And that is the reason behind why do we celebrate the 26th Jan as Republic Day. We celebrate the 26th Jan as Republic Day because we enacted our constitution on this day. हमने constitution को लागू किया था. Constitution came into force on 26 Jan 1950. लेकिन 26 Jan को select क्यों किया था? We selected 26 Jan only because we wanted to make this day special. इस दिन को हम special बनाना चाहते थे. Okay. So due to all these three reasons, Congress session of 1929 or Lahore session of Congress 1929 is known as historical one. So in this session we have discussed about the three topics. First one, Swaraj Party, when it was formed, why it was formed, and we also discussed about the founders of Swaraj Party. After that we discussed about the Simon Commission, when Simon Commission was appointed, when it visited India, and why it was boycotted. And in the end we discussed about the Lahore session of Congress 1929. That's all in this session. Bye bye, take care, have a nice day.